Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro. As you can see, it's probably going to be a little bit boring, but hey, let's just talk about it anyway. So on the back it says iPhone 13 Pro with this little tab, which is kind of interesting because I saw this leak and I thought that tab was going to be a fake iPhone tab sort of thing, but it ended up being real. They have one on the top and they have one on the bottom. And fun fact, if you get the iPhone that is 1 terabyte, you'll actually see it doesn't explain what 1 terabyte is. It tells you 1 gigabyte equals 1 billion bytes, but it doesn't tell you 1 terabyte what that equals. Kind of interesting. But either way, I got the iPhone 13 Pro, graphite 1 terabyte, and let's get this open. So we're going to pull this little tab right here, and it's just going to rip. And then we'll pull this bottom one. And that's pretty much all you have to do to be able to do this. So here's where it kind of has some adhesive, and then that big camera area, which is massive, honestly. So let's take out the phone, put that aside, and here we have the SIM card ejector, little paperwork, and then a sticker in the back. Then we get the USB-C to Lightning cable, and that's it. Just like last year's iPhone and pretty much every iPhone for the last year or so. It's just the phone, the charger, and that little stuff. That's it. So here's the phone. We can peel this off right here. And it looks really clean, and I'm already afraid that the stainless steel band is going to get all scratched up. So we can see up here the notch area. All you see really is just the camera, and then where the Face ID stuff is just kind of faintly there. But the speaker is all the way at the top now. Then as usual, the right side you got the power button, and then the ultra wideband if you're in America. The bottom speaker, lightning port, and microphone. The left is silent switch, volume buttons, and SIM card tray. So let's swipe this up, and let's skip through all this stuff. I am going to set up the phone later, but here we are. So when you go straight into the camera, it tells you about the photographic styles, which I have to figure out how that works. So I can't really explain that right now. But either way, it allows you to add like different settings to it, so then your pictures look better, I guess. I don't know. And then video, we get 4K at 60 frames per second, which is my favorite. We get the 3x zoom, which is going to be interesting. And yeah, just like last year, when you do 4K 60, you can't switch between camera lenses. You're just stuck with one camera lens at a time. And then it does have a macro lens, which looks very interesting as well. And here we have cinematic video, which probably works better on faces, but yeah, it looks like it's doing pretty good. This is 1080p at 30 frames per second. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I don't know if you've noticed the 120 hertz refresh rate, but you can go down here and you can actually limit the refresh rate, which drops it down to 60 hertz when it's normally running at 120 hertz. And now it just looks like a normal iPhone. But yeah, here's a little comparison of the 60 and 120 hertz. I don't know if you can really see it well, but there is a pretty decent difference. So now I get to use the phone, and I'll publish a review soon and let you know what my experience is like. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and hopefully you enjoy the next video that I'm going to come out with, which, like I said, will be the review. I will see you all next week. Thanks for watching.